Ayurveda Ancient Wisdom, Modern Wellness. Each of our products is carefully crafted with natural ingredients used in Ayurveda for thousands of years. Turmeric, for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Ashwagandha, to help the body adapt to stress. Triphala, to support digestion and detoxification. These ingredients are combined with cutting-edge research to ensure maximum effectiveness. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine. For centuries, the secrets of wellness have been passed down through generations, rooted in the rich traditions of Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine. At Ayurveda, we've taken inspiration from these timeless practices to create a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern health. But Ayurveda isn't just about supplements, it's about a way of life. We believe that by embracing the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda and the advancements of modern health, everyone can achieve balance and vitality. Golden Vitality Complex has been used in India for centuries as a food spice and medicinal supplement. In modern research, it has been found that turmeric contains curcuminoids, most importantly curcumin, which has effective antioxidant properties and supports normal inflammatory response. Supplementing with turmeric gummies is a great way to keep your joints, bones, and skin healthy. Our mission is simple: to make the timeless benefits of Ayurveda accessible to everyone, everywhere. With Ayurveda, you're not just choosing supplements, you're choosing a path inspired by centuries of tradition and backed by modern science. Begin your journey today. Visit us at ayurvedasana.com.